Meet the Tower Pro 2K, the hybrid portable floodlight. Designed with the professional in mind, this floodlight packs a powerful punch with a 2000 lumen output and a beam distance of up to 30 meters. The Tower Pro 2K also features a detachable light head with a convenient hanging hook and magnetic base, making it easy to position and use in a variety of settings. The built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery provides up to 4.5 hours of runtime, and with the hybrid power supply option, you can also operate the Tower Pro using the AC adapter for continuous use. The collapsible design makes it easy to move around the job site, collapsing down to just 66.5 centimeters when folded and extending up to 1.5 meters. The multi-angle rotational heads allow you to shine the light exactly where you need it, and the built-in control panel offers 3 lighting modes, as well as the option to switch between warm white and cool white light. The Tower Pro's robust aluminium housing features, built-in heat sinks and an IPX4 rating, making it tough and reliable in any environment, with a battery status indicator and quick and easy setup. For peace of mind, the Tower Pro 2K comes with a carry bag and a 3-year warranty which can be extendable to 5 years. To see our full range, please visit our website at nightsearcher.co.uk. Lighting the future.